Do you want to speak English in daily life, but your mind becomes empty when you try to talk? Then this lesson is for you. Today, you will learn 100 plus daily English usage sentences that you can use at home, in the market, at school, at work, on the phone, and with your family and friends. These are not difficult sentences. These are simple, real, and useful sentences for everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat slowly, and use these sentences again and again. Do not only watch this video, practice with me, because if you learn one useful sentence today and use it many times, your English will become stronger step by step. So stay with me till the end, because the last part will help you understand how to use these sentences confidently in your real life. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are fine. I am fine. Thank you. I woke up early today. I washed my face. I brushed my teeth. I took a shower. I wore clean clothes. Now I am ready for the day. What are you doing now? Are you ready? Please, get ready quickly. We are getting late. I have many things to do today. I have to go to work. I have to finish my task. I do not want to waste time. Please wait for me for 5 minutes. I am coming soon. Do not worry. I will be ready in a minute. I am hungry now. What is for breakfast? Please give me some tea. I want a glass of water. I want to eat something light. This food smells very nice. The food is very tasty. Please pass me the salt. Please give me one more piece of bread. I do not like very spicy food. I like simple food. I am full now. Thank you for the food. Let's eat together tomorrow. Please clean the table after eating. Put the cup in the kitchen. Do not waste food. Food is a blessing. Eat slowly and enjoy your meal. Please speak slowly. I am learning English. I do not understand this sentence. Can you repeat it one more time? What does this word mean? How do you say this in English? Please correct my mistake. I want to improve my English. I practice every day. I read simple sentences. I listen carefully. I repeat again and again. I make mistakes, but I do not stop. Mistakes are normal. I am not afraid to speak. I want to speak English with confidence. Please talk with me in English. I need more practice. One day I will speak English easily. Where are you going now? I am going to the market. I need to buy some vegetables. I need to buy milk, bread, eggs, and rice. How much is this? It is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Please show me another one. I like this color. I do not like this size. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a smaller size? I will take this one. Please pack it for me. I do not need a plastic bag. Here is the money. Please give me the change. Thank you. I will come again. I am going outside now. Please come with me. Do not go alone at night. Be careful on the road. Drive slowly. Do not drive fast. Do not use your phone while driving. Watch your step. The road is wet. It is raining outside. Take an umbrella with you. Wear your shoes. Close the door before you leave. Call me when you reach home. Send me a message when you arrive. Do not talk to strangers. Stay safe. Safety is very important. Your life is more important than speed. Please take care of yourself. What time is it now? It is getting late. I have to go now. I cannot stay longer. I have an important meeting. Please come on time tomorrow. Do not be late again. I am sorry I am late. There was too much traffic. I missed the bus. I woke up late today. It is okay. No problem. Let's start now. We should not waste more time. Time is very valuable. Finish your work first. Then you can rest. Do today's work today. Do not leave everything for tomorrow. I am tired today. I need some rest. I did not sleep well last night. My head is hurting. I have a headache. I am not feeling well. Please bring me some medicine. I think I need to see a doctor. Please call the doctor. Please check my temperature. I feel weak today. I need warm water. Do not worry about me. I will be fine soon. I feel better now. Thank you for taking care of me. Take care of your health. Sleep on time, eat healthy food, drink enough water every day. Please open the door. Please close the window. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Switch off the TV. Keep your room clean. Do not throw things here and there. Where is my phone? I cannot find my keys. Have you seen my bag? Please put this book on the table. Take this cup to the kitchen. Clean your shoes. Wash your hands. Fold your clothes. Put your clothes in the cupboard. Do not make noise. Speak softly. Someone is sleeping. Keep the house neat and clean. Listen to me carefully. I want to say something important. Please give me 1 minute. Let me explain the problem. Do not interrupt me. I am not finished yet. I understand your point. I agree with you. I do not agree with this idea. I think you are right. I think this is wrong. Let's talk calmly. Do not be angry. Shouting will not solve the problem. We can solve this together. Please tell me the truth. Do not hide anything from me. I trust you. You can trust me too. I am sorry. It was my mistake. Please forgive me. I did not mean to hurt you. I was wrong. You were right. I will not do it again. I promise I will be careful next time. Please do not be upset. Let's forget this matter. Let's move forward. Everyone makes mistakes. Good people accept mistakes. Strong people say sorry. Thank you for understanding me. I respect you. You are important to me. I want peace between us. Let's talk like good friends. I hope everything will be fine. Can you help me, please? I need your help. I have a small problem. What should I do now? Can you give me advice? Please tell me honestly. I do not know what to do. I am confused. I need more time to think. Please wait for my answer. I will think about it. I will tell you later. That is a good idea. I like your idea. Let's try it. Maybe it will work. Do not worry. We will find a way. Every problem has a solution. We just need patience. I am proud of you. You are doing a good job. Keep going. Do not stop. Do not give up so quickly. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Try again. Speak slowly but clearly. Your English is improving. Your confidence is growing. You are better than before. Practice makes you strong. Small steps are still steps. Learn 1 sentence today. Use it many times. Tomorrow, learn another sentence. This is how you improve. You do not need perfect English. You need daily practice. One day, you will speak without fear. Hello, nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is Ollie. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. What do you do? I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. I run a small business. Where do you live? I live near the market. How many people are in your family? There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My family is very important to me. I love my family. Family gives us support and strength. Please sit down. Please stand up. Come here. Go there. Wait here. Do not touch this. This is dangerous. Be careful. Hold my hand. Stay with me. Do not run. Walk slowly. Look at me. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Say it again. Try one more time. Very good. Well done. You are learning fast. Do not feel shy. Everybody starts from zero. Nobody is born perfect. If you practice daily, you will improve daily. This is simple, but it is powerful. I am busy right now. Can I call you later? Please call me after 10 minutes. I missed your call. Sorry, I was busy. Can you hear me? Your voice is not clear. Please speak louder. Please send me a message. I will reply soon. I am charging my phone. My battery is low. My internet is slow. Please send the location. I am on the way. I will reach in 10 minutes. Wait for me outside. Do not leave without me. I am almost there. I like this place. This place is beautiful. The weather is nice today. It is very hot today. It is very cold today. It is cloudy outside. It may rain today. The sun is bright. The wind is cool. Let's go for a walk. I want some fresh air. I feel relaxed now. This is a peaceful place. Let's sit here for a while. Take a picture of me. Please smile. This picture is nice. Send it to me. I will keep it as a memory. I have to study today. I have homework. I have to read this chapter. I have to write an answer. Please do not disturb me. I need silence. I am preparing for my exam. I am trying my best. This lesson is difficult, but I will not quit. Please explain this topic to me. I understand now. Thank you for teaching me. Learning takes time. I must stay patient. I must stay focused. I will study a little every day. Slow learning is still learning. I will become better with practice. I have work to do. I need to finish this task. Please send me the file. Please check this message. Did you receive my email? I sent it yesterday. Please reply as soon as possible. The work is urgent. We have a deadline. Let's finish it today. I need your opinion. Please review this work. Is everything okay? There is a small mistake here. Please fix it. Good work. Thank you for your effort. We are a team. We should help each other. Now listen carefully. Daily English is not only in books. Daily English is in your room, your kitchen, your market, your phone, your family, your school, your office, and your street. Use small sentences every day. Say, I am ready. Say, I am busy. Say, I will try again. These small sentences will make your English strong. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Start speaking today. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak daily. Your confidence will grow, and your English will become natural. Now you have learned 100 plus daily English usage sentences. But remember, only listening is not enough. You must repeat these sentences every day. Choose 10 sentences today and use them in your real life. Say them in the morning, say them at home, say them with your friends, say them in front of the mirror. If you make mistakes, do not feel shy. Mistakes are part of learning. If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and write one sentence from today's lesson in the comments. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up. Thanks for watching this video.